Today we are going to talk about fire prevention and protection or firefighting. Fire. Fire defined as chemical reaction combined by evolution of energy in form of heat and light. For a fire to occur, mixture of oxygen, heat and fuel is required. Three main elements required to ignite a flame. Without any one of these, is that not possible to start a fire. These three elements are oxygen, fuel and heat. Fire classified into two: wanted fire, unwanted fire. Fire triangle. Fire tetrahedron. The fire triangle was changed to fire tetrahedron to reflect this four element a chemical chain reaction, a vital component of fire. Common fire classification. Class A. Ordinary combustion. Paper, wood, rubber, plastic, textile, etc. Class B. Flammable liquids. Oil, gasoline and solvents. Class C. Flammable gas, LPG and hydrocarbons. Class D. Reactive metal fires. Sodium, titanium, magnesium, potassium, uranium, lithium, plutonium and calcium. Class E. Electrical equipment. Class K. Cooking oil and fats, kitchen's fire. Fire extinguishment. Fire extinguishment in principle consists of three limitations of one or more of these factors, and the method of fire extinguishment may therefore classified under following headlines: starvation, removal of fuel; smothering, removal of oxygen; cooling, lowering the temperature; inhibition of chain reaction. Spontaneous combustion. Spontaneous combustion occurs as a result that the heat generated by the reaction substance themselves. Example: hot glycerin poured on crystals of potassium permanganate. Extinguishing media: water, foam, dry chemical powder, carbon dioxide and other gas flooding system like inerter, FM200, etc. Sand beating out. Types of fire: Class A, B, C, D. In case of electrical fire, DCP or CO2 extinguish should be must. Causes of fire: natural, lightning, radiation of sunlight, earthquake and cyclone. Man-made: electrical short circuit, smoking, hot works, static electricity, chemical reaction, mechanical reaction, naked lights, hot surface, hot fuel, and pipes, electric lamps of high wattage, spontaneous ignition, overheated material, mechanical spark from grinding and cutting. Fire prevention. Site selection and layout of plants. Proper design and construction. Stringent SOP in practice. Housekeeping. Control on ignition snows. Types of fire extinguisher: water, CO2 type, foam type, dry chemical powder, carbon dioxide type, halon and soda acid and chemical extinguisher are banned. Fire extinguisher: water, CO2 type, gas cartridge type, acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate and form CO2, trolley mounted gas cartridge type. Mechanical foam type, gas cartridge type, outside container sodium carbonate, inside container aluminum sulfate, trolley mounted gas cartridge type. DCP type, gas cartridge type, stored pressure type, trolley mounted gas cartridge type. Fire extinguisher. How to use a fire extinguisher. Pull the pin. Aim at the base of the fire. Squish on the handle. Sweep side to side. Fire hydrant system. Fire sprinkler system. Gas flooding system. Detection and alarm system. Foam flooding system. High foam expansion. Foam flooding system. Fire supply in aircraft hangar. Fire tenders. Crash fire tender CFT. Water tender DCP tender, CO2 tender, foam tender, multi-purpose tender, hose laying lorry, communicating van, breakdown van, medical van, ladders, turntable ladder, hydraulic platform ladder, aluminum extension ladder. Firefighting with foam. Other firefighting equipments. And this is the end of the channel. Please subscribe.